Right guys, I'm working on this one. It's got an F75 in it. The pressure is on 0.3, but actually the pressure is a lot higher. Okay, so it's got like 2.5. So we know that that's not correct. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change. We're gonna change that baby there. Put the light on. Put the light on. So we're gonna change that baby there. It's a water pressure switch. Okay, hopefully that will sort the issue out. It's a commercial boiler. Right guys, first thing we want to do is drain the system down. So I've isolated both flow and return, and I'm going to drain it down from here. But as you'll see, it doesn't go according to plan.
Are you sure? I can get the proper angle.
I need a pipe.
Yeah, that's not a good idea, is it, guys? So we have to go to plan B now because I've turned the isolations, but they're not completely turning, so the water's still coming through. So I'll have to go to plan B now.
Right. Let's empty this. What do I do? Close them. That's closed.
So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the filling loop and drain the water down from there. I'm not trying to drain the whole system down, just to reduce the pressure on it or slow it down. So then it's easy for me to just change it and the water's not going to gush out. So I'm just trying to drain about a bucket full out. Once the pressure is low, then that's it. I'm just going to work on it then. Otherwise, I'll be here all day.
Ready? The screwdriver. What's over there? 3, 2, 1. basically. Okay, and that's it. Let's change that. And right, let's pump the system up. And then we clean up and we get out of here. Just making sure. Going here. Now control. Check mixing from there. Okay, 1.6. No matter, things are going to edit out on this. So when it gets to 1.1, we're going to turn it off. So turn off the filling loop here. Remember my pump lines over there? Remember them, okay? Okay, now we're going to ready to switch it off. Hold on. Tell me when it gets to 1.1.
It's on it.
Hmm?
It's on it.
Okay. Till it gets to 1.2 then. Right, that's on 1.2. And yeah, come here, look. I'm just turning it off. Right, now the board is okay. Yeah. And now the Move back, move back. Okay, mine's doing that. You can just turn all this off.
Okay.
The other one's funny, it's order about 3 or 4.
What?
Right, guys, we changed 1 second. We changed one of these air pressure switch. Water pressure switch. We changed this water pressure switch. It's giving me F75. The pressure on that is 0.8, but when the pressure on the that was 2.5, so it wasn't in line with that. We changed the water pressure switch on it. Normal F75. The boiler is firing up, and no more issues on that. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and if you did, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Let's go. This one's fine.